Your home is probably one of your biggest investments and one of your biggest responsibilities, so protecting it should be a priority. Homeowners insurance does just that. Not only does it cover your home and belongings from crazy unknowns, but it also helps you rebuild your home and life in the event of a total loss. Think of your policy like a puzzle. It's a pretty easy one, just 4 pieces: your home structure, your stuff inside, liability protection, and additional living expenses. Now let's back up a bit and break that down. For most policies, coverage for your home means you'll get money to repair or rebuild your home if it's damaged or destroyed by natural disasters or by vandalism. What's not covered? Appliances that wear out, like your boiler or air conditioner, potential hazards like asbestos and mold, and damages from floods and earthquakes, nuclear accidents, mudslides, and more. Basically, read your policy. For flood insurance, expect to pay an extra $700 or so. For earthquakes, an average of $300 a year, unless you live in California and have to shell out thousands. Now, what about your stuff? Your policy can help you replace furniture, clothes, and other personal items if they're stolen or destroyed. How much will it cover? Whatever your home structure is insured for, let's say $300,000, divide that by half, and that's roughly how much you'll get to replace your belongings. Next up, liability. This part of your policy covers you against things like lawsuits related to injuries or property damage like falling trees or home accidents. It will also pay for damage caused by your pets, like dog bites. You typically start with $100,000 worth of protection. Need more than that? You'll have to pay more. Last but not least, additional living expenses. If you can't live in your home because of damage from a disaster, you can be reimbursed for your hotel stays and meals. So how much does all this coverage cost? Pull out your calculators with me. Take your home's value. The average cost of one in the US is around $300,000. Divide it by 1,000 and then multiply that by $3.50. With this equation, you should expect to pay around $1,000 a year. But remember, not all homes are created equal. The cost for your policy will depend on factors like the size and type of your house, where you live, and even personal things like if you're a smoker. They can all affect what you'd pay. So there you have it. And when it comes to home insurance, you can say, "Now I get it."
Spring is a popular time to make those upgrades and updates to your home. But is your insurance policy up to date? Amica Insurance has some advice to keep your home investment safe.
Reach out to your insurance company when you update your home. For example, if you recently updated your kitchen, you want to be sure you're fully covered for the increased value of your home. You'll have peace of mind knowing you're fully protected. The cost increase to your existing policy should be minimal.
Make sure your home insurance policy covers your planned changes and visit amica.com for a quote from Amica Insurance.